Hi, my name is Lola, and today we're gonna make banana bread.
banana bread?
First, we're gonna do our dry ingredients, then our not dry ingredients, our wet ingredients.
Mom, slides.
First, we need is flour.
Yep, dump it in there.
I have flour.
Kane,
Dump it out.
then we need sugar. And then we need baking soda. And then salt.
And then mix it up.
And then we mix it up.
Mommy, I'm doing eggs. Am I doing eggs, Mom?
No, I'm doing everything, Kane. And then we're done mixing almost. We just need to do a little more until we're done. Then we set it aside. Now we're going to do our wet ingredients. So this is our mixer for our wet ingredients, like eggs, bananas, cocoa powder, everything like that. Oops. If you have a shell in there, please take it out with your fingers.
Yep. Now do the other one.
And then we have one more.
Any shell there?
And then we add the bananas. No. Okay, ready? Can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we scrape the bananas out. Can you try to do the rest? And then we add the oil.
Whoa.
And the milk.
Pour the milk in up to this line. Oh, slow, stop, put that.
That much?
Perfect.
And then we add the milk.
Mommy, I
And then we need
Should I pour it? Then we stir it all together. And then when it's done mixing, we put it in the pan.
ingredients.
And then we'll add our dry ingredients. And then after our dry ingredients, when it's done mixing, then we put it in the oven. And then we wait until it's done. It looks like it's mixed now.
Done?
So we can lift it up. Slowly add the dry ingredients while you're mixing.
Don't touch it, Kane.
He's feeling it.
Oh,
Oops.
Don't clean it.
We just spilled the sugar and now we have to, my mom let it do it. Then when it's done, we lift it up. Should I spray it? Now should I spray it?
Spin it!
Always let your parents help you spray this stuff into the pan. Nope. Then we pour it in the pan and then put it in the oven.
Mama, you done, Mama?
Until it's done baking, we're done and then we can eat it.
oh.
So we use a spatula and we put it in the pan with the spatula.
I made paper towel, Mom. I made paper towel. Mom, I made paper towel.
Just wait, bud. Get a little smudge.
I made paper towel. Mom. Mommy.
Yep, just wait, bud.
I step in there. It's big one.
Until we finish it. Don't do that.
I'm done, Mama. Mama, I'm almost done.
I'm not.
Yeah, you're done.
I'm getting all of it out. I'm done.
Yep.
Done?
I'm done.
Kate, stop sticking your finger in there. And then we put it in the oven. Then we put it in 325 for 1 minute.
Help.
1 minute.
1 hour for 20 minutes when we put it in the oven. And when it's done baking, we can see you later. Mom, when it's done baking, can we see them again? Hi guys, welcome back. Our banana bread is already done cooking and now we get to decorate it. So first we're gonna add the frosting. Always get just a little of a frosting. And then dump it on and let your parents help you do it. And then you spread it all around until all the frosting is on there. And then after when we add the frosting, we're gonna add the sprinkles. Now we're gonna add the sprinkles. And now I'm going to take a bite of it.